3, 2, 1, liftoff. Have you ever considered what it would take to prepare for a space flight? You would need to prepare your body for high speeds, extreme temperatures, physical and mental stress. So how can you prepare for a space flight at home? The body physically responds to stress by increasing its heart rate, known as the fight or flight response. However, you can slow down your heart rate with breathing techniques like cyclic breathing after stressors. To test whether you can override your body's response, you'll first have to record your resting heart rate. Then you'll have to stress the body to see how your body responds to a stimuli or stressor. After the exercise, you'll record your heart rate. This time you'll exercise again, but immediately after you'll perform cyclic breathing. To perform cyclic breathing, inhale through your nose twice, inhaling as much air as possible, and an extra inhale to fully expand your lungs, diaphragm, and belly. Then slowly exhale through your mouth. Repeat this breathing technique for 5 minutes. Can you slow down your heart rate faster after a stressor when you perform cyclic breathing right after it? How about your classmates, friends, and family? Continue practicing, and now you're ready for space flight. For more information on how to do this science project for yourself, use the link in this video's description. For more projects like this, visit sciencebuddies.org. Thank you for watching and see you next time.